Hello everybody, welcome. Thank you for stopping in and watching a video today. I truly appreciate it. If you're new here, I hope you stick around. And those people who have been here for a while, thanks for coming back. What I have to show you today is from One Day Savings. One Day Savings. I found different things on One Day Savings. This is part 2. If you watch part 1 of One Day Savings, you'll see that I found some interesting items there. And I found some more. So let's look at them. Diamond paintings first or the other things? Okay, a lot of you are here for diamond paintings. We'll do that first. Okay, so let's show you this one first. Look how beautiful that thing is. It is gorgeous, right? Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, oh, that is so pretty. It's got this huge butterfly, which is the main focal point of the whole picture. And then these beautiful flowers. Oh my goodness. You can already see what goes on those flowers, right? Oh my gosh. I fell in love with this. I love the colored background to it. The green that kind of complements the hummingbird. It's stunning. It only has 9 different drills, but oh my goodness, it's going to be gorgeous. Let me show you these drills. I think you're going to love it. I will link it below so that you can go get one. I mean, if you love hummingbirds, oh, this bag is separate all by itself. I mean, we've already seen it, so I might as well just bring it out there for you. Look at all of those pink shards. These are what I call the shards. And it's going to make every single one of those petals. Love that. It's so pretty. I don't think there's a lot of specials, but the ones that they have are going to be right. It's your money's worth. All right, so here are the rhinestones. There's a brown, a green, just a little bit of green, which is interesting. Oh, we have black rhinestones. Or not rhinestones, but black ABs. Those are cool. Love those. That is going to make this hummingbird do what hummingbirds do. You know, if you've ever seen a hummingbird up close, you know they're iridescent, right? So iridescent drills, it's going to be all in the tail and outline in the wings. That is going to be perfect. All right, we have some pink, some blue, some clear, some, I don't know what color that is, tan. And then we have these clear AB teardrops. And that's going to go on the tips of all of the wings and around its throat. Oh my goodness, isn't that going to be pretty? I don't think I can put this one away. I think I need to leave this one out and actually work on it like very soon because it's going to be gorgeous. Hummingbirds are my thing. I mean, it's just, love it. Okay, there's that one. Then there's this guy. Could not resist this one. Look how cute he is. I mean, I don't have a thing for giraffes at all, but this one caught my attention. All of this background, no drills. So all of those spots and star-looking things are printed on there. Although right here, you get drills right there on that one. Interesting. But I mean, we got some flowers over here. Look at the flowers on her head. She's adorable. I just fell in love with her. That face is so sweet. I was like, oh, you're so cute. So it's 14 different drills. And let's look at them and see what we get. I think this is going to be super. I want to do these so badly. I have so many big canvases going though. I want to do some of these little fun ones. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just start right out with white AB. White AB, which is going to outline all of her, you know, her spots. And around here, she's going to get outlined with the white. That's beautiful. And then of course we have this peachy color because, I mean, she's a giraffe, right? We have pinks for our flowers, a little bit of black. There's some more peach color. So it's not just going to be one solid peach color here for her. We're going to blend a couple of different shades of peach together. And then a little bit of pale, pale yellow, some green. So that's our rhinestones, okay? The rest are specials. We got quite a few. Love me some snowflake, starry, you know, special drills. Some pretty little purple faceted AB. They look green, blue, purple. So pretty. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look how pretty, right? Purple marquise, Teardrops, iridescent, just iridescent, clear, love it. Marquise, same thing, iridescent, and some other oranges. I think these two are fantastic. Like I said, I have so many big paintings going right now that I can't seem to finish, but I just want to, I want to do one of these. I'm some of the special drill stuff I've been getting lately, I'm just, I can't resist. Okay, here is the non-diamond painting item for this video. And it's crochet. Crochet, knit, yarn, whatever. Now, if you go and search on some of these sites, a lot more of the sites are carrying yarny type items. Hooks, needles, bags, yarn bowls, all kinds of stuff. You just have to search for them. It's great. I love it. So I'm going to be adding those whenever I can find them, right? Look at this bag. Oh my goodness, this bag is adorable. Let me flip it over first of all. Look at how cute that is. Look at the pattern, that print. Got llamas, hearts with crochet hooks, pins, knitting needles. It's all on there. It's adorable. I love it. And it's soft. It's like silky. I love this. This is an awesome bag, right? Okay, so far you can see we've got 2 pouches. Look, it stood right up for me. Look at that. It's got 2 pouches in the front. They're not zippered or anything, but it's got 2 nice pockets. It's got one on the side. Got a side pocket. Got 2 pockets here. I'm going to assume we have another one over here. Yeah, so we got pockets all around. If you want to stuff stuff in your pockets, there you go. We got 2 nice handles. Let's look at these handles. This is really nice fabric. It's got a silky feel to it. It's cool. I like it. I like it a lot, right? That's cool. 2 handles. Now, this does zip closed. The whole thing on the top will zip closed. So anything that's inside will be safe and secure. Let me zoom you out even a little more. So you can zip everything in there. It's so cute. I love this. This is a nice bag. And it did not cost that much. I'm going to link it below. And then inside, it's lined, of course. We got 2 pockets there and 2 pockets here. And then you got your big open pouch in the middle. I love this. And I love that it stood up. I mean, it just stood right up for me. Like, boom, there we go. Fill me up, right? I love this. Oh my goodness. I am so excited that some of the budget-friendly companies are getting all of these other items. Crochet, knit, you know. Cross stitch has been there for a while. If you cross stitch, you can get cross stitch kits from some of the companies. Paint by number is pretty common, but all the yarny stuff is kind of new, and I'm digging it, right? And this fabric could not be cuter. Look at it. That print is adorable. I love this bag. I love this bag. So from now on, when I go to budget-friendly sites, I'm going to search and I'm going to see if they have crochet or knit or yarn or anything like that, and see if I can show you something that's yarny and diamond painting. You know, mix it up, get a little bit of both. So let me know what you think about that idea, because I mean, I do both, and I think it's high time I promote it even a little bit more. You know what I mean? The yarny side of my life. So the bag and these 2 diamond paintings. Oh my gosh, they are, oh wow, right? I'm in love with this entire order that I got from Onedaysavings. I cannot say enough good things. So thanks for watching, and I will link these items below. If you did not see part 1, go check out part 1. It also has some yarny items in it and some diamond paintings. It's got a nice mix. So check that one out if you did not see it. Everything will be linked below so you can find it. And they had great prices. Nice products. They're quality products. They all seem really nice. This bag seems awesome for a good price. So check them out. Okay, check them out. And again, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this, because, man, I enjoyed this one thoroughly. All right. I hope you come back and see more videos. Check out the first One Day Savings. You don't want to miss that one. And I hope you come back, stick around for a while, and, you know, become one of us and, you know, enjoy everything that I do. I hope you do anyhow. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.